visit the Fancy Walls website. Begin your adventure by discovering our latest wallpaper designs. Sort all designs by color, style, pattern, or room. Choose a wallpaper that catches your eye, and click on the design. Find the WallDesign Calculator button, which appears after the material description. Once you've opened the WallDesign Calculator, select your preferred system of measurement, centimeters, inches, or feet, and enter the width and length of your walls. Now, it's time to choose your preferred wallpaper type, peel and stick or non-pasted. Pay attention to the scale of the design. Now it's time to change the color of the design that we offer 30 color options. You can also select the Your Color option if you have a custom color in mind. You can split the design in the preview to see how your wallpaper panels will be connected. You can also enable a ruler to see the measurements of your wall. Finally, click or tap the Add to Cart button and proceed to checkout. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you back on our YouTube channel again soon.